inclusive design is such an important topic. The act of making sure that you're not deliberately or unintentionally leaving out or excluding users who traditionally have been underrepresented. I'm Frank Spillers, and I'd like to welcome you to this workshop on inclusive design. In this workshop, we are going to look at how you can make sure that your product or service strategy is inclusive and that it also accommodates and reaches out to underrepresented users, whether they're underrepresented by their age, race, gender, ethnicity, their sexual orientation, cultural background, disability, and many more. We're going to make sure in this workshop that we cover the essential topics of bringing representation to your design, but also to your design process and to your team. So inclusive design starts with inclusive teams, but it has to be baked in as the default so that it's something that happens all the time, not just as a sideline, not just as a special focus, but that's something that's brought to design, to research, to even recruiting, and even the marketing of the product. So inclusiveness touches all areas of user experience and product and service development. And in this workshop, we're going to dive into all these different areas and work with some different tools that can be leveraged, as well as processes and process tweaks that you should make in order to get closer to the ideal, which is avoiding exclusion, bias, or unintentional sidelining of users and underrepresented users and their issues. I look forward to seeing you on this workshop. Hope you can join me.